The public was outraged after it was reported that a rat bit the feet of a newborn baby at the Western Regional Hospital. The outrage grew when a video of the nurses taking out the rat from the incubator and killing it with a broomstick went viral on the internet. The public wants someone's head to roll, but no one has been fired or held accountable. In an interview last week, Minister of Health Pablo Marin shared doubt that the rat made its way into the incubator on its own. Now the story is that the rat was placed in the incubator. Marin's CEO, Dr. Peter Allen, says those are the reports he has been getting as well.
I certainly have heard the rumors of sabotage. I certainly have heard the rumors that there is some kind of campaign. From my perspective, let me say that we will focus on the issues. We will focus on the issues of the development of the plans within the $30 million grant. We will focus on the issues of correcting challenges that address the institution right now, because honestly, I cannot comprehend that there is any patriotic Belizean who would be so, shall we say, bitter and twisted as to possibly engage in such slander and activities against a public hospital and against other care providers who do their best under difficult circumstances to provide care and treatment for our people. So, given that I am aware of the rumors, I simply cannot comprehend that there are people in our midst who would stoop to such terrible depths.
CEO Allen says that the $30 million grant received from the European Union has been earmarked for Belmopan, and the plan is to improve the infrastructure of the Western Regional Hospital. But before that is done, several steps need to be taken.
With the European Union and with most grant funds, the first things that we would engage in is public consultations. So we won't want to start constructing until we've sat down with the community and looked at what do we actually want in terms of the services from this building. What do we actually want to provide for this community in Belmopan and for referrals from others. Now, part of that for Belmopan is that the Western Regional Hospital also acts as a referral centre in times of hurricanes and disasters from the central region and from Karl Juchner. So when we decide what we're going to construct, we must have first determined what are the functions that that building will provide. Based on the functions, then we will look at the structure. And one of the things that we want to do, especially considering our reputation as an environmentally friendly country, and especially considering the direction that we want to take the system, is we want to construct a smart hospital. A smart hospital in the sense that it conserves electricity, that it uses its resources wisely and well. And for those things, we will want to draw on the expertise of the community and of other members of the private sector. I anticipate that we will begin those consultations before the end of the year.
Has hit the international media, and that is not good for the health system in Belize. The story has been reported by CNN, Daily Mail, and even Primer Impacto.
It's outrageous, and so there is a process, and we follow that process. The first step of the process is to write what we call in the public service show cause letters. So those have already been written and delivered, where people in administrative responsibility are asked to give us reasons why disciplinary action should not be taken and what is their explanation for the events as they untold.
Before this incident, reports surfaced of a rat infestation at the Western Regional Hospital. Last week, Minister Marin told us that the administrator of the hospital had paid $3,000 to an exterminator to kill the rats. However, she has been unable to present a report for it.